Good morning. We're at Fort Clinch State Park. We had one day to kind of punctualize or capitalize on our last 30 days of vacation time that I had before going back to work. Kids needed to get back to homeschooling and to road schooling, as they call it. So we took the opportunity to come down and spend a day before I'm back to the grind down here at Fort Clinch State Park. Like I said, one day. The sites are beautiful, but they're pretty close together. We're going to go tour the fort down by the beach, picking seashells. Found some really cool ones. Water was frigid. So yeah, we had one day. Didn't sleep very well last night. Visited by creatures that go up in the night. So we had raccoons playing in the trash, which is far enough away from the tent, not a big deal. Cats playing in the truck bed, which was weird. And then a family of armadillos decided to come through. So, not much sleep last night. Lots of noises. Lots of kids a little nervous about things. Got them calmed down. But overall, beautiful weather. I think it's like 65 today. The smoke is killing me. Sitting by the fire. Like I said, beautiful weather. It's about 65, 70 degrees. Last night got down to about, 50-ish. 0 degree sleeping bags, overkill. I was sweating. Wife was cold at times. I'm not sure what's going on with her, but 0 degree sleeping bags are probably overkill for 50 degrees, but nobody complained of being cold, so that was nice. Breakfast was the usual for the kids: pancakes, syrup, Pop-Tarts, you name it. Kaylin and I had bagels, just quick and easy. Want to get down here for cheap. On the way in, we stopped at the Florida Citrus Center, which was really cool. Saw some live alligators. I got some fresh orange juice and some other treats and some souvenirs for the kids. We had driven past it about a dozen times and never stopped, and this time we decided to stop, and I'm glad we did. That was really awesome. So we're going to go continue exploring Fort Clinch State Park. We're going to go through the fort. We are going to go pick seashells. We're going to go geocaching by the park. We have all day. About an hour and a half from the house, so really no time constraints, which is really nice. Not feeling rushed by anything. I don't know what we're going to do for lunch. We'll figure that out. Like I said, just a quick one-day adventure before I get back to work. Out here in the woods, a chance to reconnect with the family, kind of recage before the grind starts again, and an opportunity I talk about all the time, but it's an opportunity for the girls to go see things that they would read about in their textbooks, but actually put hands on something tangible they can explore and they can look at and understand the history of Florida and the history of how the states were created. And we'll get into the history of the fort, but I'm big on getting them surrounded by the environment they're learning about as opposed to just reading about it. I think there's a lot of value there. So we do that stuff as often as we can.
450 years you'll be finding that on the beach.
What about an alien can last 200 years?
A what?
How about an alien can last 200
British?
years?
Aluminum.
What about that apple up there?
remember.